Working on Bob's car. Gonna be putting some demon eyes in it. He's already got the headlights out.
Hey, what you doing in my car?
UA squad.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Kind of a sneak peek. Before. Not even opened up yet. And it's after. Remove the amber. And demon eyes are installed. We'll do a video later. I'm going to be putting it back together right now. What do you have to do? Well, right now we're just heating up the headlight. Then we're going to separate it with screwdrivers. Oven works better, but gotta work with what we got. So we're just gonna take the amber out and put the demon eyes in there. And this is how the demon eyes look. How much you pay for this?
25 bucks or
25 on eBay.
Or more.
And I'll get the link and I'll post in the description. Alright, well, we'll go ahead and start opening it up.
Yeah, we opened in like 15 minutes, huh? Or 20?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we opened like 15 or 20 minutes, open the headlights.
So there's going to be tabs right here. You can see there's tabs all around it, and you just pry it apart first.
Then you gotta squeeze it in, separate it. Heating up a lot more inside the side of it.
Once you have it hot enough, we're going to pry this open. See it over here? That's it. Alright, just like that, the headlight is off. We're going to remove this amber piece. Use brake. Some dikes. Just break these right here, all around, and then right here you just pull these clips towards you and it'll come right out. And then take off this one Phillips. And like I said, these tabs, you just pull on them and it comes right out. And there you go. We actually have all clear. Next, we're just gonna pull out the projector. I like taking this piece off. There's just a little tab here you just pull out. Pull this off, sleeve to the side. take this cover off just so you can run the wires through it. Take that off. Take the back off this bolt right here. Right here. Next, you're going to pull the actual projector out. Tab here. Sorry, it came off and there's a tab right back here, in here. Alright. Which is right here. Gives you a little bit more room. Alright. There's 4 bolts. The big ones are the ones you're going to take out all on the 4 corners. Alright, after you get those bolts removed, the housing just come right off the projector. And then there's a little clip. You just pull it over and the lens will come right out. It'll come right out. So you don't really touch the lens. But this one is very easy with this style. I'm just going to shove it right in. The actual housing, just shove it right in here. And then run the wire through the top right here. There's a little gap where I can run the wire through. I'll show you right now. So I'm going to run the wire in first. Alright. Just like that, just shoves in. And these are demonized on halo lights. Alright. After that, we just put it right back together. Make sure you get these all clipped back in. On this side too. Alright. If you're running these ones, this is where you start plugging it in. Alright. You can already see on this one how I ran it through it. And this is how it looks without the clear. And we'll test it out once it's on the car. So with this, you're going to drill a hole into it so you can run the wire out. I have a Dremel that I'm going to be using. Let me see. Just a circle of Dremel. Alright, just a quick hole and we'll seal it up after. Run the wire. And not all demonizers are like this, but this one is, so you just run the wire in. And then you're going to plug it into that other clip on your demonize. Show you right now. Just like that. Stuff in. Salt packet here. And we're gonna put this right back in. Very easy. There it goes, and this is now in. And then after that, since you already removed your reflector, the orange amber, and this goes right back on here. We gotta heat it up first, I'm just showing you. And there you go, almost done. So let me heat it up and put the lens right back on.
Right there. Heat that up a little more, perfect. Yeah, yeah, that's right. Alright. So we're gonna get this on. Yep, perfect. Yeah, alright. Just gonna use this to pinch the actual corners down.
Alright, so here it is. Nice and clear. Everything's all wired up. Now for the back of it. You buy this at AutoZone. Remember butane? Basically it's just like the sealant they use in the. Just grab a little bit. This stuff is sticky. So for here, hold that real quick. We're just gonna seal up the wire. Like water, don't get into it. It's easy. It's 15 bucks for that roll, and it could do like 3 to 4 headlights. This is like that.
Protection wires.
Yep, and water won't go into it. Do the same thing with this one. Yeah. You actually use the same stuff, or I like to use it and put it all around the headlight. So we're gonna grab a piece. Alright, got everything done. And ready to put back on the actual car now. So we'll be back when we have it on the car and we'll show you the lights. This is all the CL before we put them on, but yeah, here it is. It has a clear with the demonized now installed on them. And this only took like an hour or two, so here he is.
Oh god. It's fucking beautiful.
All Bluetooth. And this one was 30 bucks, he said, on eBay.
And they're $30.
I paid 80 bucks on mine. And mine already kind of crappy already. But yeah, do the red again. Do the red.
The red?
Yeah, it looks mean. There you go. We'll put it on the car and I'll show you again how it looks. But yeah, there it is. We just do a quick wire test and it's working. Dope. Well, here it is with it on. For the longest, we were figuring out why it wasn't turning on, and I downloaded the app and it works for me. So apparently he didn't have his Bluetooth on.
I turned the whole off. I didn't know the beam lights go on with the Bluetooth.
Yeah, now it's working.
Told me. No.
Yeah, he didn't know you need Bluetooth in order to use that. All right, well, here it is. Let's see, let me grab a light. So this is the light. You can tell, clear, fits good, fitment, not too bad. And yeah, here it is. Just whip out the light. Like, comment, subscribe, right, Bob?
Right. Like, subscribe, and comment.
Yep. Yeah. More TL content. That's all we do here.